Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever updated the header on one page in Microsoft Word, only to find that it changed somewhere else, or worse, every page suddenly has a different header or footer? This usually happens because of section breaks. Even a single hidden section break can make your headers and footers behave unexpectedly. The good news is that it's easy to fix once you know where to look. In this video, I will show you the most effective ways to fix headers and footers that are different on every page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Turn on formatting marks to find section breaks. The first thing you need to do is find the hidden section breaks. Many users don't even realize they are there. Open your Word document, go to the Home tab, click the Show or Hide button. It looks like the paragraph symbol. Or simply press Ctrl+Shift+8. Word will now display all hidden formatting marks. Scroll through your document. If you see labels like section break or next page or section break continuous, those are what control separate headers and footers. Now that you know where the section breaks are, you can fix them using the next methods. Link headers and footers together. The most common reason every page has a different header is that Link to Previous has been turned off. Double-click inside the header. The header and footer tab will appear. Click anywhere inside the section that's different. Look at the ribbon. If Link to Previous is not highlighted, click it once to enable it. Now repeat the same steps for the footer. Do this for every section in the document where you want the same header or footer. Once they are linked, editing one header automatically updates the linked sections. Remove unnecessary section breaks. Sometimes the document contains section breaks that aren't needed. These often appear after copying content from another document. With formatting marks still visible, click just before the section break. Press the delete key or click just after it and press backspace. Be careful, removing a section break also removes the formatting that belongs to that section. If you are unsure, save a backup copy before deleting any section breaks. After removing unnecessary breaks, check whether the header and footers are now consistent. Check different first page and different odd and even pages. Word also lets you use different headers for specific pages. If these options are enabled accidentally, your headers may appear inconsistent. Double-click the header. This should direct you to the header and footer tab. Look for these options: different first page and different odd and even pages. If you don't actually need separate headers, clear both checkboxes. Now review the document again. Many users discover this was the only reason their headers looked different. Reinsert the header or footer. If the formatting has become corrupted, it's often easier to recreate the header. Double-click inside the header, select all the existing content, delete it. Now go to the Insert tab, choose Header or Footer, select one of the built-in designs. Add your page number, document title, company name or any other information again. Sometimes rebuilding the header is faster than trying to repair damaged formatting. Copy the correct header to other sections. If one section has the correct header, you don't need to recreate everything. Simply link the remaining sections to it. Double-click the header in the correct section. Move to the next section, enable Link to Previous. Repeat for the remaining sections. Word will automatically copy the existing header formatting throughout the document. Do the same for the footer if needed. Start fresh if the document was copied from another file. Sometimes section problems happen after copying content from another Word document. The copied content may bring hidden section breaks with it. Create a new blank document, copy only the text from the old document instead of pressing Ctrl+V. Go to Home, then Paste and choose Set Default Paste. Now, from the Cut, Copy and Paste section, click on the drop-down menu next to pasting within the same document or pasting between documents and select Keep Text Only. Then recreate your headings, page number, headers and footers. This removes hidden formatting that may be causing the issue. So that's how you fix headers and footers that appear different on every page in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft Office tutorials, Windows tips and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.